Rua dos Bem Casados. Casados, I forget again. Is it marriages or homes? I think it's marriages. So we are gonna go down that alley, but this is kind of where we're at. There's kind of a nice little line of people to get this ice cream right here. And then over here, just kind of briefly show you the context of where we are. Got some houses and some Christmas stuff, Casados too. And then this is a very, very busy street right in there. But our focus is going to be down that little alley. So let's go down and check that out. Rua dos Bem Casados. And I'll explain it. It's like a little, we're in Taipa village. And I'll give you more information soon. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So we're gonna go down that alley. Before we go down, this is probably one of the biggest tourist streets in Taipa. It is the biggest one. They sometimes call it food street, so people come down here to get food. And this is called Cunha Guy, Rua de Cunha. So we're just gonna briefly walk into it. Yeah, lots of crowds everywhere. And you got some alleys down that way as well. And then we're going to we go down our Target Street. Okay. Very crowded today. Okay, so we are going to go into our alley. So Taipa village, there's all these little alleys everywhere. And once you get off the main street, you kind of have these little Casados from Casa. Let me just show you this street real quick too. This is the other main street. That's this little stairwell that goes up. We're gonna pop back out into that street later. Just focus on our little alleys in here. Yeah, the lighting is kind of cool. This is actually really photogenic. So a lot of people will come in here with their cameras and try to capture images of it. And there's all these little new shops that are opening up everywhere. So let's see what these ones are. Little alleys. Let me just go down here real quick. And there's a lot of, they're all labeled too. So this is a flower alley. So it's like a little labyrinth of cool stuff everywhere. It was Christmas recently, so there's Christmas theme, you can see it. But actually now we're January 2nd, I think. January 3rd. That goes back out into that main street again. Portugalia. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our Target Street. There we go. It's got some shrines. Got the God of War. I forget, but he's not really a war. He's more like the intermediaries. Guayin, I believe. I don't know the difference between. I thought I knew Guayin well, but then I think this might be Mazu. So It might be the Mazu, the goddess of fishermen, possibly. There's a coffee shop up here. So some beautiful colors and doors. That's actually like a perfect photo right there, especially somebody who's walking down that alley. Pink Bird Coffee. Pink Bird Coffee. So yeah, this is a really photogenic area. We got some restaurant down there as well. Dinner Time Cafe. And then we got Casados Street up here. And we also have Go at Nights up there. Yeah, kind of a bright light here. I think we're gonna go across the street real quick. So that street is actually ending. So we're gonna just kind of show you what's out here real quick. We got Moon, got Taipa, they got rooftops. Got this little place in here. We also got Go at Nights. They got a nice rooftop as well. And let's see.
Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You got some really good music there too. I need to go there soon again. So from up there, let me just... Up there, they got a rooftop up there, so you can actually sit up there and have this really good view. Okay, so we are going to navigate. Okay, last time I was here, Antonio's was, they were painting the wall, I guess. So they did a whole new thing there. And now it's open again, so that's good. Tapas to Portugal. Just kind of step inside. Yeah, it's a nice restaurant. Has won a lot of awards. Now we've kind of entered into another street, so we're just gonna meander down slightly and just kind of capture some of the feel. This is new. I think that's Lily. She's an artist. Looks like Lily. She's usually in Koloan. But I can't be 100% sure. Oh no, maybe not. I think I just saw Lily's a Chinese artist. Look at that. There's a Portuguese bakery right here. I think that scarf shop was a Portuguese lady, I think. So, okay. We got some more little alleys here. Alien Burgers. So we're actually on another street right here. But you kind of get the idea. I'm just going to come back out here. Yeah, actually that yellow building I think is just painted recently as well. Let's go across the street if we can. So let's go across like this. So you got the Taipa, which is another rooftop restaurant, Italian food. And then that yellow building just got painted, that bright yellow building. And last time I was here, that had a bunch of stuff over top of it. I guess they're painting that yellow one. Okay. So on that note, we are going to end our video. And our video is Rua dos Bem Casados, which is that street right there. So yeah, pretty cool. So we just basically did that little alley. And we're gonna end it right there. A little slice of Macau for you. Nice window. Nice street light. Nice combination. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.